This save, I came across a dragon, and I thought, wow, this is bananas. So, by the way, how's this dragon 400 years old, and it's only the year 114? Anyway, I thought for sure this was going to be the end of my fortress for this one. This fortress. Okay, I gotta just make an aside. This fortress got attacked by a ape? Were ape? And oh my god, it took me forever to get rid of that were ape. And I had several dwarves die. Oh, my catacombs. There's so many dead dwarves. Anyway, so I thought this this poor fortress has been through so much. It should have been given up on a long time ago, but I kept it going. I thought for sure this would be the end of it. So here's a dragon. I'm gonna try to do the same thing I did last time, which was kill it and cook it into food. So here we go. Here we go. Commence the fire. Got more kills this time. That was a better battle. Alright, so now I'll turn off the burrow. Great pause, but anyway. Butcher an animal. Let's make that a priority. And we will follow the corpse of the dragon. This little check mark means it's being used for something, so yes, our butcher is carrying it to butcher it. Corpse, good. Butchering. Let's see what we get. Alright, cool. There we go. So, oops. What did we get? Dragon eye, cartilage, lung, 20 lungs, 5 hearts, 30 intestines, 10 liver, 10 tripe, sweet bread, whatever that is, spleen, kidney, nervous tissue, brain, skull. That'd be cool to put on something. Nail. I don't know what this is. Fat. How many are there? It's one thing. It's a little bit annoying. This stuff getting cut off and you can't see it. Dragon meat, 200. So, if they make something with, if the cook makes something with this dragon meat, this 200 dragon meat, then it will be a stack of more than 200 cooked item, and it'll be worth a lot. So you can see this already has been claimed by something, either the render fat or the cook. Not real sure, but we'll see what happens here. A couple things got picked up there. Render fat, so yeah, that'll be fat. Yep. Was this like this before? I don't know. The stack of 68 dragon fat. So, yeah, that's good. Render fat. Now, workers, bowyer. Okay. So, what I went ahead and did is, over here in labor in the kitchen, I just disabled cooking everything. Yeah, everything. And yes, they will cook drinks into food. Have I already talked about that? Anyway, so I I found the dragon items. Dragon meat, 200. There's more dragon tripe, stuff like that. But I wanted the biggest stack I could get, so dragon intestines, dragon lung. I'm going to disable this because there's 4 items. So lung, intestines, meat, and there is fat that comes through. So whenever this fat gets rendered into tallow, then that will be a cookable item. So let's see what happens here. Alright, well, a child is carrying this tallow to a stockpile. So hopefully, once it's in the stockpile, it will get picked up for cooking. And they already filled up the stockpile. The last thing that happened with this was the food stayed in the kitchen too long and rotted before it was able to be moved. So that's why I made that stockpile bigger. Alright, let's see. Will this get checked? Yes. Assigned. So our cook. What's his name? Lead. Pick up that tallow. Sweet. And come on, masterpiece. Oh, should I do a sneaky save? Save, continue playing. This is sneaky dragon meal. Alright, I got that save. That I'm gonna save it in case he doesn't make a masterpiece. We will see. Alright, I'm pausing. He's got it in there now. He's working on it. And this is how fast a legendary makes it. I mean, done. Oops. Alright. 316. Masterpiece Dragon Tallow Roast. Let's go. Alright, alright. Place your bets. Anybody guess? Anybody want to guess? How much is this going to be worth? I'll give you a comparison. 4,000 for this. Previous masterpiece. Alright. Alright. Did you pause the video? Did you place your bets? 316. Dragon Roast. What's it going to be worth? 88,000. Oh, sheesh. That is so awesome. Holy moly. What is a single trade caravan worth? Like, that one thing is worth an entire trade caravan. Or do we keep it? I don't know. What do we do with that? How freaking cool is that? Wow. Masterfully minced, exceptionally minced. I wonder if it was exceptionally... I wonder if it was all masterfully minced. I may try this again since I made that sneaky save. I think I will. Alright, after much, way too much save scumming, we've been able to get a masterpiece roast 120,000. 120,000. Let's go. Oh, I had to restart the game so many times. But not, restart the save. Oh, I just put YouTube on and just saved or reloaded the save and reloaded the save, reloaded the save. So everything here is masterpiece. The item itself, masterfully prepared, masterfully minced, masterfully minced, masterfully minced, masterfully minced. So this is as good as this can be. And I'd say it's pretty good at 120,000. So, yeah, I might just have to put this in one of these rooms here, like this one. 1,000. Oh man, furniture, display. I don't have any display items. All right, well, make a display. Pedestal. Right now. Hang tight. Well, there's this problem. We're just gonna ignore that. All right, so I guess this is gonna be the outro. Here we are with our guild hall, Grand Guild Hall, 121,000 value. Pretty awesome. I went ahead and locked this away. I'm gonna see if it rots on here. If it rots, I'll put it in the comments or something. But anyway, so yeah, this is it's how you make some wealth and use it too, and try not to die. Oh, it's so bad. Well, bad news. The food, unfortunately, rotted, and it's not on the pedestal anymore. I wonder. Anyway, so you can't increase a room's value with food, unfortunately. Bummer. But anyway, yeah, that draws the conclusion to this one. This poor base. So, thanks for watching. Good luck.